Guys, this is an emergency video, but I felt compelled to share it with you. I wasn't worried when the SEC went after Ripple and filed a lawsuit, even when XRP fell below $1. I believe this coin will survive, but now, for the first time, I'm a bit nervous. I'm not sure who needs to hear this, but please watch this video all the way through. If you don't view this video, anything could happen to you. It's always better to be prepared than to complain later that the crypto world is a sham. Anyway, make sure to stay until the conclusion because things are about to get serious. Welcome back to XRP HUD, your favorite crypto news station. As always, welcome to the XRP family. If you're new, don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates by clicking the subscribe button and turning on your alerts. I began by admitting that I am a little nervous, in particular when it comes to the cryptocurrency industry. We just learned out it's the altcoin session in the last 24 hours. And things are about to get interesting. We were given a discount of 30% early in December. The stock market crashed, sending everyone into a panic. No one knew if we'd enjoy our December vacation or if things were about to get difficult. Several folks, I'm sure, were knocked out, but that's off the market and futures trading. And dealing in that space is always risky. Anyway, these cryptos are now rising from the ashes, and we can see that some life is returning to our crypto wallets. I put my money into a few different cryptocurrencies. However, XRP is where I've put the most of my money. But it isn't the reason I talk about XRP so much. I truly believe in the coin's objective, and I am confident that it will one day govern the entire cryptosphere. Just wait and see what occurs if you have any doubts. In the following year, returning to the reason for posting this video, for the first time, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a little nervous. If you've been following the crypto market with me, you'll agree that December hasn't been as active as most people expected. In fact, I've seen a large chunk of my investment evaporate from my portfolio more than ever before. But here's the thing. I can confidently state that that was a beneficial corrective. All of this transpired in the span of a few hours. In some ways, this has provided our cryptos some breathing room. They'll revert to their original pricing, if not greater. If you ask me, I'll tell you the truth. I'll tell you straight out. This is not the time to give up. Now is the perfect time to increase your cryptocurrency holdings. Before the end of the year, these coins will have reached their all-time high. Yes, you read that correctly. No one can ever change the fact that the crypto world is here to stay. These cryptocurrencies are taking advantage of the bullish force to achieve new highs. Anyway, we're all human, so it's natural that I felt a sharp pang in my stomach when the coins landed. We all felt it, and we all experienced it. We sell all of our coins and call it a day when we're in a panic. But there is light at the end of the tunnel for those of us who chose to stay. Fortunately, it's always a good idea to be prepared. You've set price targets for various coins. This is because having a pricing target is beneficial. After all, you'll sell as soon as the prices skyrocket. Yes, you are accurate. Part of the flawless execution of the bull run, you'll also need a place to keep your cryptocurrency. Keep your distance from the debates. Exchanges are beneficial, and some appear to be highly reliable. But here's something I'll advise you for free. Only keep a small portion of your cryptocurrency on exchanges. Set price targets for them and, if possible, walk away with your earnings. Without a doubt, although XRP is the cryptocurrency of the future, you may still buy other cryptocurrencies. Just make sure you conduct thorough research before proceeding. Why? Regulations and rules are coming, as we all know, and not all cryptocurrencies will be able to pass. Solo is a great option, and it also works well with XRP, to be precise. In fact, you must claim your Solo token airdrops if you have XRPs in your wallet. The startup is giving away free Solos to everyone who has XRP. Thorium is another cryptocurrency that I've mentioned previously. Don't expect these coins to go directly to the moon and then complain about it later. So, while you're relaxing and enjoying your holiday, have a look at what's going on in the globe. All you have to do in the cryptocurrency world is buy cryptos and wait for them to go to the moon. January will be here before you know it. With that adjustment, we've seen the worst of the worst this December. It's possible that this is the final adjustment of the year. As the year draws to a close, we will have a seamless ending. The SEC has been quiet this month, and it's clear that they've gone dark now that no one is watching them. They are either at home or preparing a meal, whatever the case may be. True, they've gotten their hands dirty a few times to hide their arses, but that's not right. Brad sent out an intriguing tweet regarding his feelings about the SEC and his experiences there. Jay Clayton's regulation is in effect. Jay was even urged not to go by a former SEC commissioner. They say they didn't hear after Ripple, And now we're here. There is no regulatory clarity in the United States, and going after a company like Ripple without any ground rules is a surefire way to fail. The SEC has lost its credibility in the crypto realm in more ways than one, and you can see why now. In any case, let's look at XRP's technical analysis. This is a great time to invest in Ripple after making an explosive rise. The market is currently gently correcting and has also formed a double bottom, indicating that the trend may be resumed. I predict the price to continue positive by tapping into the demand zone below the sequence of lows. XRP has lately rallied off a significant resistance line in place since the beginning of the year. It's getting close to intersecting with the downtrend line, which could lead to a breakout. But first and foremost, we should focus on Ripple's court appearance on the 14th of next month. Here's another more aggressive swing trade option for the coming week for those who aren't patient. Within the 48 to 50 Kelvin candle area, pricing builds one or two inside bars this week. When a market refuses to retrace, there is often some further momentum follow through. Within the first several steps, prices might move towards the 50 to 55 Kelvin range in this situation before I meet upon another obstacle. Because of the less than ideal position, the risk is significant. Furthermore, the market has not demonstrated that it no longer desires to make lower lows. This type of business, this necessitates close attention and constant surveillance for any potential fake outs, which are highly likely. Remember, we're in the middle of a holiday week. Coincidence? Bitcoin and the stock market, they're probably reacting to the broader sense of positivity or holiday mindset. Take note of this. This entails, keep your profit targets realistic and don't take on too much risk or overexpose yourself. Once the volume has returned to normal, things might shift quickly, unless, of course, you're a day trader. There isn't much point in accomplishing anything during this time. Guys, trade cautiously as usual. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors with a license. All of the videos on this channel are solely for entertainment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comments area. Let's have a discussion down below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Please do not do so. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe using the links below. Disable notifications. Please be notified anytime we publish new and exciting material. In the following video, we'll see you.